If you're currently working in a Google Docs document that contains comments, in this video, I'm going to show you how to minimize or maximize those comments in Google Docs. So all you have to do once you're inside that Google Docs document, guys, you want to ensure that the comments is enabled. It could be that the comments are off, but you have to turn on those comments. And how to do that is simple: go to view, then down to comments, and you want to ensure that comments are on. Ensure that it is not checked and says hide, because if it's hidden, then you will not be able to see those comments. Now you can also identify that the comments are not visible by looking on the icon on the upper right hand side, and as you can see, it says, and as you can see from the icon, there's a crossover comments. If you click on that, it's going to enable comments. But if you want those comments to show up, all you have to do is just ensure that you go to view, under comments, and you want to ensure that expand comments are selected so that you can see those comments on the side. Now this expand comment that I showed you here, this is how you can go ahead. Now to minimize it, you simply want to click minimize comments, and you will see that it only shows the icon. But if you hover over it, you can see those comments there. So that's it. Easily, that's how you minimize and maximize comments in Google Docs. Let me show you again. Go to your view, then comments, and to minimize the comments, ensure that minimize comments are checked, and to maximize the comment, expand the comment, and it will look like that. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.